Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the objectives of management. So we know objectives are the end towards which the activity of an organization are directed and standards against which the performance is assessed. The managerial objective of an organization can be classified into three major categories. First is organizational objective, second is social objective, and third is personal objectives. So there are three types of objectives. First organizational, second social, third personal. Today we are going to discuss about the organizational objective of the management. So first of all, meaning these objectives aim at prosperity and growth of the organization. Generally it is assumed that profit maximization is the main objective of every organization, but it is not true. Manager try to develop and attain variety of objective in all management area which reduce cost and bring maximum prosperity for organization. The three important organizational objectives of a manager are survival, profit, and growth. First is survival. The basic purpose of every organization is to survive and exist in the competitive market for a long period of time, and it is possible only when it is able to cover its cost and earn profit. Yes, if you want to survive in the market, then it is very essential that you should have sufficient profit, or you should earn sufficient profit to cover the cost. Second is profit. The most important objective of every organization is earning adequate profit. Profit is essential for survival, growth, and expansion of business. Profit is reward given to a businessman for bearing risk. Whatever risk businessman is bearing, profit is reward of the same, and it's also very necessary for expansion of the business. Without profit, business cannot be expanded. And third one is growth. Business organization must grow and expand their activities. The success of any organization is measured by the growth rate, and growth is measured in terms of sale, number of branches, number of products, number of employees, etc. So these are three main organizational objectives of management: survival, profit, and growth. After that, some social objectives are also there. So what are the social objective of management? First and foremost objective is to supply the quality product at a reasonable price. Whatever product you are producing, you should supply that product at reasonable price, as well as you will have to maintain the quality of that product. Contribution towards desirable civic activities. There are different type of civic activities which society expect from a management, so we should also contribute towards it. Then generation of economic wealth, generation of employment opportunity. Yes, it is also a very important social objective of the business that it should generate more and more employment opportunities, because in our country there are many persons who are unemployed due to this problem. Then financial support to community. If community need financial support in case of natural calamities or any pandemic, then it is the responsibility of the organization, business, or management that it should support, or it should grant financial support to the society, community. Then organizing educational, health, and vocational training program. There are different health and awareness program or educational awareness program which is conducted by the management. It is their objective. Using environment friendly method of production. Yes, we know it very well. It is very famous eco-friendly method of production. So these are some social objective of management which it has to abide by. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.